Hi, my name is Homin Jan, and today I am gonna show you how to solve error like this. You can see that here I'm getting network error while my network is fully working. You can see that here I am getting full signal, but I am not able to reach that website. So I will tell you how to solve this error. You can see that if I go to any other website, I can reach there shortly. But here, yeah, you can see that I can go there, but I am not able to reach website like this. You can see that I want to reach a website named APK but I'm not able to reach it. So I will tell you method by which you can easily bypass these errors and you can reach the website where you want. So let's go. You can see that I'm getting this error like this. So for it, we have to download a Cloudflare web application. I can tell you its name. It's like 111 var for PC. If you search like this, you get this one, and you can download this Cloudflare. It's like VPN, and you can download it on even on Android, Mac OS, Windows, App Store, anywhere you want. So for like I am in the Windows, so I download for Windows, but I have already downloaded it and installed it. So I will not time waste anymore. As you can see that here here I can go for like you can see that here I have a shortcut for it. You can see that this is Cloudflare Bar which you should which you have to download. So I simply click on it. It's look like this, and when you will download it, it will look like this. Simply you have to wanna connect. So it's like configuring, and here you can see that it's not connected, and now my internet is private. Now, if I am going to reload this website, you will see that I will easily approach there. You can see that with it, I can easily go to any website on the internet. I will not get any error like this. Like you can see that if I reload it and in a small time, in a couple of seconds, in a millisecond, I reached there. Hopefully, you like this video, and you just have to download this application. You can see that its link 1.1.1.1. You can approach to this application. I will provide you the link in the description. You just go it and download for Windows, and you can see that it's getting downloaded. It's of 123 MB. Sorry. So you just download it and install it and have fun. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope you enjoy the video.